Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dhaval from FP&A Professionals Institute, where we help finance professionals build powerful, future-ready careers in FP&A. Today, we are answering a big question that I get asked almost every single day. Dhaval, how do I get into FP&A if I don't have prior experience? If you're coming from accounting, audit, operations, or you're just getting started out, this video will give you a clear roadmap to land your first FP&A role. Let's get into it. First, a quick reality check. Most FP&A roles out there say something like this: 3+ years of FP&A experience required. But here's the truth no one tells you. A lot of people land FP&A roles without formal FP&A titles. You just need to prove that you understand the core responsibilities. You have done related work even if it is called something else, and you are actively building the right skill sets. This is about positioning and not perfection. So what exactly does FP&A job involve? Let's simplify it. FP&A professionals are expected to work with financial data, build forecasts and budgets, analyze variances, present insights to the business leaders, support strategic decisions. If you have done even part of this in any finance or business role, you've got a great starting point. Here are some steps that you can take. Step number 1, identify transferable experience. Look back at your current and past roles and ask, have I worked on any reporting? Have I supported the annual budgeting process? Have I done any kind of cost analysis or performance tracking? Have I used Excel to analyze business problems? That's your raw material. Example, you worked in accounts payable, but you created a monthly tracker to spot vendor spending spikes. That is analysis. You verified payroll during an audit. That is staff cost analysis. You reviewed contracts to verify revenue recognition. That is revenue analysis. Step 2, learn the language of FP&A. Start describing your work in FP&A terms. Instead of prepared invoices and reconciled accounts, say monitored expense trends and flagged anomalies across business units. Instead of saying help with month-end close, say supported financial reporting and variance investigation at the month-end. It's not about inflating your work. It's about aligning your language with the role that you want. Step number 3, build core skill sets even without a job. You don't need a company to teach you forecasting. You can start today with Excel modeling. Learn how to build a basic income statement forecast. Data analysis, use Power BI or Excel pivot tables to create a dashboard. Finance storytelling, pick a company and try to create a one-pager performance review based on their financial statements. Document it, post it on LinkedIn, mention it on your resume. Show that you're not just interested in FP&A, you're already acting like one. Step number 4, network. Don't just apply. Here's the hard truth. Applying online isn't enough, especially if you don't check all the boxes. Instead, focus on reaching out to people already working in FP&A, asking for a 15-minute career chat and not a job, joining FP&A groups and forums, attending finance webinars or virtual events that are happening out there. The FP&A community is actually quite open and supportive, especially if you ask thoughtful questions like, what helped you break into FP&A role? What tools or skills should I learn to get started? Trust me, one conversation can probably open a door faster than 50 job applications. Step number 5, apply for hybrid or bridge roles. If you're not getting interviews for FP&A analyst roles, aim for roles that give you partial FP&A exposure. For example, finance business analyst, junior financial analyst, MIS executive, reporting analyst, cost analyst. These roles often include similar responsibilities, but are more open to people without direct FP&A experience. Once you're in, you can transition to a pure FP&A role within 12 to 18 months. Quick bonus tip, learn the FP&A mindset. This is what separates the good from the great. Start thinking like this: what drives the number? What are the business levers here? How can I present this insight to a leadership team? That shift from data to decision making is what defines FP&A. So let me recap those 5 steps for you. Identify your transferable experience, reframe your resume in FP&A language, start learning and showcasing FP&A skill sets, network with people in the field, apply for entry or bridge roles that offer similar exposure. Now, final words, getting into FP&A isn't about waiting for that perfect opportunity. It's about positioning yourself so when the door opens, you're ready for it. I have seen dozens of professionals move from audit, accounting and operations and even engineering background to FP&A. You can do it too. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge in landing an FP&A role right now? We at FP&A Professionals Institute offer Certified Global FP&A Professional Program, which is a 6-month exhaustive program designed for working professionals like you. Download the brochure in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.